everybody, today we are going to make pumpkin pie, and it's one of my favorite desserts because it's delicious, it's full of condensed milk, and it's got vegetables in it, so you're eating a vegetable without feeling like you're eating a vegetable. So our ingredients are 1 packet of Marie biscuits, a tin of condensed milk, 5 eggs, melted some butter, and I've cooked and mashed up 1 butternut. And I've also got some cinnamon. So we'll start with the butternut. And I'm gonna scoop it into a biggish bowl. Okay. Now in the same bowl, to save on some washing, we're gonna put 5 eggs. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you're going to whisk them up. And that you can put in with your butternut. And you're going to put a whole tin of condensed milk in. Okay. Now, I like quite a lot of cinnamon, but this is entirely up to you. It's about a heaped teaspoon, but if you want to use more, you can. And mix that together. Okay, so that is your filling done. Now the fun part is mashing up the Marie biscuits. Now in the back bag, I've given it a bit of a bash already. And then I'm going to put it into a Ziploc bag and close it up nice and tight. And we're going to bash it. Okay. Now once these are crumbs, open up your bag and just throw in the melted cooled butter into here. This just saves on washing, and then give it a smush. Just smush it around. Now the butter is going to help the biscuits to stick because we're making the base of our pie out of the biscuits. When it's nice and coated, you're going to put it into a pie dish. Okay. That is the base of our pie. Now we're going to put in all of our filling. Okay, pumpkin pie is now done. It's going to go into the oven at 180 degrees for about a half an hour. Now you're going to want to eat this cold with some cream or maybe some of the ice cream that you made last week. If you make it, let me know what you think, and I'd love to see a picture. Thanks, everybody. Bye.